JOOTOON Auto Parts Company Limited is a premier domestic supplier specializing in intelligent automotive door systems. The company has developed into a large-scale enterprise group with a synergistic ecosystem encompassing R&D, production, operations, and service. With over a decade of expertise in intelligent soft-close door technology, the company boasts a world-class R&D team and is recognized as a national-level, specialized and innovative, high-tech enterprise. Since sourcing its first patent for the door closing device in 2009, the company has expanded its portfolio to over 50 patents and nearly 100 independent intellectual property rights. Our products meet rigorous international quality standards and have earned numerous global accolades. Through strategic partnerships with leading automakers, we are propelling Chinese soft closed-door solutions onto the global stage. Our flagship brand, JOOTOON, is renowned for its non-destructive installation process, which integrates seamlessly with original vehicle circuits without lifting warranties. Today, JOOTOON is the definitive benchmark in the automotive aftermarket and the undisputed leader in China soft closed-door industry.